Today I'll teach you how you guys can fix your Facebook shortcut bar not showing. So as you guys can see, there's a shortcut bar at the bottom of my screen, but let's say in your screen it's not showing up. In that case, what you need to do is first click on menu. So if nothing is being shown over here, then all of your shortcuts are going to be available over here, which is going to be right below all shortcuts, as you guys can see. You can even click on see more to see all of your other shortcuts. But let's say you don't want your shortcuts over here. You want the shortcuts to be available just like in my screen at the bottom. For that, what you need to do is click on the setting icon at the top right of your screen. And from inside settings, what you want to do is at the top, click on search and search for shortcut. Once you search for shortcut, it's going to show you customize. Click on customize. Now from over here, you can choose what you want to be displayed on your, bottom bar. So over here, it's on auto. So which means Facebook is automatically going to select what is going to be shown at the bottom. But you can select it. Click on auto and click on hide. If it is on hide, then it's not going to be shown. But if it is on auto, it's going to be shown. As you guys can see, I have hidden groups and I'm going to hide pages. So I'm going to hide video. Watch this. If I hide video, the video from bottom is going to be hidden just like this. So you just want to click on the hidden and turn it into auto. Once you turn it into auto, it's going to be displayed over here again, just like this. So make sure you select every single one on auto, and basically your navigation bar or the bar at the bottom will, pop up again. So that is how you guys can fix your Facebook shortcut bar not showing problem. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.